When my chest is tight, when the words fall short, I breathe your name till the night grows.
Please,
light.
I beg of you, have mercy on my little ones. They are all I have in this world.
Step aside.
Please, I beg you, do not harm them.
They are just innocent lives.
Have mercy on my little ones.
If you want your family to stay safe in that nest, you will bring me the silver key by tomorrow's dawn.
You may stay in the high nest for the winter.
What is the catch?
You must bring me every shiny trinket you find.
You are enough for this tired soul. Hasbi Allah, you hold the pieces I can't hold. When I can't stand, when I just fall, you are enough. Hasbi Allah. Hands hang empty, but you still give. One small heartbeat is the proof I live. Every silent tear that I hide away, you are close to it, closer than my veins. If the world turns cold and the path feels long, I will sit in the dust and remember your song. Every breath I take is a call to you. Every breath you give is an answer to Hasbi Allah. You are enough for this tired soul. Hasbi Allah.